Well, my name's Bill Paulty. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I appreciate your time. Basically, what I'm going to do is give you a little history of myself. Engineering professional by degree, 30 years manufacturing, worked 7 or 8 different industries. Thought the life was secure, except for, moving from a couple of jobs because I wanted to. However, the last 5 years I've been laid off 5 times for a total of about 16 months. Obviously, manufacturing's not doing near as good as what it's supposed to be doing, but anybody in the world pretty much knows that if you listen to the news. Like everything else, they keep reducing the force, add more work to the people that's there. It gets pretty time-consuming and tiring after a while. Unfortunately, the times of loyalty for companies are pretty much gone today. It used to be you work 30 years in one facility, you retire from there, life was good, get your Social Security and go on. Unfortunately, that isn't going to happen anymore. During my layoff times, I decided that I probably need to do something to supplement my income, being that you can't base manufacturing to do what it did in the past. Looked at a lot of different options, tried an MLM company, found out that it was more hype than reality. Mainly my sponsor said keep running ads and it'll all work out. Well, after it was about 5 months, realized that the all workout thing wasn't going to happen. Pretty much got out of that, kept looking around, looked at franchises, figured if I was going to throw money at something, I might as well make it worth the effort. On one of the franchise sites, I came across a little ad about a company that said that they're making money. The people above them were doing what they're supposed to do, and I thought, well, give it a shot, take a look at it. At this point, I'm satisfied with where we're going. Obviously, I have a lot to learn. My first video here, and as you can see, it's not terribly comfortable with what I'm doing, but when you look at the potential of where we're going, this is definitely something to look at. If you think you're interested in something like this, check out my YouTube channel. There's more information there. I got a link to a website. Feel free to look at it. Got contact information. Send me an email. I'll pass on what information I can. Appreciate your time, and we'll speak again in the future. Thank you.